Assalamu alaikum students. Today we have started 6.3 and we finished few questions. This is part 7 from exercise 6.3. X square plus 1 over x square whole square minus 4 x plus 1 over x whole square plus 12. In this question, first of all, we have to observe within the brackets what terms are there with the signs. So if you see, there is x square plus 1 over x square, and in the next bracket x plus 1 over x square, 1 over x. We can see that x plus 1 over x both are the same. Only the difference is there one in the first bracket there is square, in the second bracket there is no square. But the sign in both brackets have the same. So what we do, we will not solve, we will say in the first step that x plus 1 over x is equals to a. X plus 1 over x is equals to a because both has the positive sign. After that, after the first step, we will take the square of both sides. By taking square or by squaring on both sides, the same equation that is on the top that we had supposed. X plus 1 over x whole square is equals to a whole square. Now open this bracket with the help of the formula that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here we can observe that if we are opening the formula a whole square, the first term whole square, and b whole square, the second term whole square, is this, and 2a is x and b is 1 over x. So this is the reciprocal. Reciprocal means inverse. Inverse of x is 1 over x. If this condition comes, what we do, we just cancel it. When we cancel, we can get x square plus 1 over x square plus 2 is equals to a square. After that, we have seen in the brackets only two terms are present, that is x square plus 1 over x square. So we only need two terms here as well. We will bring this 2 on the other side with the negative sign. This is x square plus 1 over x square is equals to a square minus 2. Now, now keep this in the box that we have to replace the values by this. From the question, we will replace the values, then we can get, now see, x square plus 1 over x square is equals to a square minus 2, and a square minus 2, and in outside there is square, so we will write square as well. Now minus sign from the question, 4 is from the question, x plus 1 over x. Where is x plus 1 over x? It is here, is equals to a. So I will keep a inside, but there is a square as well. So I will write outside square plus 12. After that, in the next step, we will see a square minus 2 whole square minus 4a square plus 12. Now open this term, this one, with the help of formula. Again, we are going to apply another formula that is equals to a square square minus 2a square, then 2 plus 2 whole square. This formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now this minus 4 is coming from the first step, the previous step, 4a square plus 12. Solve these. When you solve in the next step, you will get to know which one is the like term. There is no a4, so we will write a4, but there is a square and a square with the coefficient -4 and -4. -4 and -4 will be -8a square plus 16. Now 4 plus 12 is equals to 16. After that, we will do we will move to the next step. It is a square minus 8a square, sorry, a4 minus 8a square plus 16. Then again we will apply the formula. The formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is the third time we are applying the formula. A square is, then open it, minus 2ab. This is, now you will place the values, and then every formula has left hand side and right hand side. This is the right hand side. Now this one is the left hand side. We are closing the formula in the form of a minus b whole square. After that, there is a. A is not in the question, so we need to replace. Again, we will replace the values. In the question, x is there. But what about a? A is, if you see, look at the back, a square is equals to x square plus 1 over x square plus 2 minus 4. Minus 4 is from the this previous step, whole square. Now minus 4 will plus 2 will be subtracted from minus 4 minus 2. Now again, by taking square root at the end, we are going to take the square root. We will take the square root. This square will be cancelled by square root, and the answer is x square plus 1 over x square minus 2 with plus and minus sign. Remember this thing, that when we apply square root, there is minus and plus sign comes when we finish it. Now come to the next question. Now, next question is question number 2. Use division method to find the square root of the following expression. Now division method is now applying here to find out the square root. So for the square root, for finding out the square root, what we do, we will first of all see which one, there's a only one polynomial expression is given to us. No other polynomial expression is given to us, only one polynomial expression. This is 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square plus 16x plus 24y plus 16. Okay, so what we do, now in this question, you see that we are placing the full polynomial expression here inside, and then we put the bars. When we put this in the form of division, we will take is half of, now what you do, you need to make it half. Okay, first term is, look at the first term. Half of 4 is 2. Half of x square is x. Okay, so what we do, or in other words, you will divide 4x square with the help of 2x. This will be cancelled by this 2, and x is with you. Now you take this 2x and place it here outside the bracket. This one you will take, you will say it is a divisor, and as a quotient 2x will come as, okay, same number. Now 2 2s are 4, and x multiplied by x is equals to 4x square. Now what is left? 12x square, 12xy plus 9y square 16. You will just copy down, write down the full expression leftover with the leftover terms. Now 12xy, there is 12xy plus 9y square. So look at the first one. The first one is 12xy. I will keep it 12xy here. Okay, but what I have to do, this is I am taking from the inside. Outside I have 2x. This 2x will be plus. Here we are going to plus. We are going to add 2 plus 2x plus 2x will be 4x. 4x. So I will write 4x. Okay, which number we will multiply with 4 to get 12? Here we will see in the second for solving the second expression, we will see which number is going to be multiplied by this 4x to give you 12. It means 4x will be multiplied. 4x will be if multiplied by 3 gives you 12. But we need y as well. So if we take y with 3, it will give you the same answer as it is in the inside of the brackets, or as a divisor in with the polynomial. So what we do, we'll write 3y here plus with the plus sign because it has plus sign. 3y here, 3y on the top with the quotient. Now multiply, write full expression 4x plus 3y, and the same number is going to be multiplied 3y. Now it will be 12. Multiplication is there, multiplication process is there. 12xy plus 9y square. Now place the values. 12xy plus 9y square. Change the signs. When you change the sign, it will be cancelled. This 9y will be cancelled. What is left over? Left over is 16x, 24y, and 16. Now what you do, 4x will come as it is. 3 plus 3. The next next term will be added. 3y plus 3y will give you 6y. This is, here we are adding 3y. It is equals to 3y, and 3y is equals to 6y. 6y we are now bringing here. Now look at the, when we have finished these with these two terms, we will look inside. There is for 16x. So 16x, which number is going to be multiplied by this 4 to give you 16? So it means 16x we can get if we multiply 4 by 4. So write the full, this one there is full expression 6y. So write this 4. This 4 will be with this expression. Now multiply. When you multiply, you will get 14. 4 multiplied by 14 is 16x plus 16y, not 16y, 24y, and 16, only 16. Now if you observe, the answers are same, exactly the same that is present in the expression. So write all the answers and then subtract, change the sign. These will be cancelled by these all, and there is 4. We don't forget to write 4 here as well. Okay, in these question, when we use square root as a method for finding the, by using the division method, square root, it means division method to find out the square root. What we do, we put first, we take the, in the first step we will take see the first term. We will make it half. Half of the first term is there, this side it becomes divisor, the half becomes quotient. In the next step, the first step is finished. In the next step, what we do, the divisor becomes, the divisors become, it will be added. Okay, 2x plus 2x is equals to 4x. Now you will see inside the first term. The first term is that you will see and you will relate with the first term of this. Okay, suppose there is 12 and there is 4. So we can easily assess that if we multiply 4 by 3, we can get 12, but there is y is there as well. So 3y is equals to 12xy. This 3y will serve as a divisor and will go on the top as a quotient. Okay, this is the second step. When you finish the second step, the third step would be you will write the first term, it is 4x, it will remain the same. But the second step, the second term, we will add 3y plus 3y gives you 6y. Now we will see now after that inside the first term. The first term is 16 and we will see the first term of this outside the divisor. There is 4. Okay, we can easily assess that 4 multiplied by 4 is equals to 16. So I will write plus 4 here and as a divisor, and I will write 4 as a quotient. Now this 4, the 4 full 4 will be multiplied with the full divisor expression. 4 4s are 16x, 4 6 are 24y, and 4 4s are 16. I will write and then I will change the values because in division we change the values. We apply subtraction. In subtraction of polynomial we change the values. These are the steps you have to keep in your mind. I hope you will understand this.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.